In the depths of the ocean, a ruler emerges. NAMOR Mackenzie, the king of the seas, commands the waves and the creatures that dwell within. Born of a union between a human and an Atlantean, NAMOR is a man of two worlds, but his loyalty lies with the ocean. With his trident in hand, NAMOR summons fierce aquatic creatures to aid him in battle. His primary fire, Trident of Neptune, has infinite ammo and travels in a slight arc, reducing the cooldown of his powerful aquatic dominion with each hit. Let's dive into NAMOR abilities. Trident of Neptune. Throw the trident forward, reducing aquatic dominion's cooldown upon enemy impact. Critical hits cause monstro spawn to enter a berserk state, gaining increased attack speed. This ability has infinite ammo and travels in a slight arc. Each hit charges aquatic dominion by 0.084. The trident deals 70 damage and has a projectile speed of 120 meters per second. Horn of Proteus. Summon Giganto to leap atop enemies within range, disabling their mobility abilities. This ability creates a cylindrical spell field with an inner circle radius of 3 meters and an outer circle radius of 8 meters. It deals 500 damage to enemies within the inner circle and 200 damage to those in the outer circle. The ability has a duration of 1.5 seconds, a maximum distance of 30 meters, and an ability delay of 1.5 seconds. The energy cost for Horn of Proteus is 3,100. Blessing of the Deep. Summon a protective barrier while flying upwards. This ability makes NAMOR temporarily immune to all damage and crowd control for 3 seconds. The cooldown for Blessing of the Deep is 15 seconds, and the dash distance is 7 meters vertically. Aquatic Dominion. Summon a monstro spawn that can autonomously attack enemies. This ability has 2 charges and allows NAMOR to lob the egg of the monstro spawns in an arc over a small distance. Monstro spawns can be attached to any surface, including walls and ceilings. They deal low damage but have high attack speed. Monstro spawns will automatically attack nearby targets and do not need to be aimed. The default damage is 17, and the enhanced damage is 11. The duration of the monstro spawn is 8 seconds, with an enhanced duration of 2 seconds. The fire rate is 2 shots per second for default and 5 shots per second for enhanced. The range is 40 meters, and the projectile speed is 20 meters per second. The damage fall-off begins at 20 meters, decreasing to 30% at 40 meters. The ability health is 100. Tidefall allows NAMOR to summon a powerful wave that crashes down on enemies, dealing damage and knocking them back. Holding the spacebar while using this ability allows NAMOR to fall slowly, giving him more control over his positioning. Wrath of the Seven Seas. Launch the trident forward to damage nearby enemies, then direct all monstro spawn to perform an enhanced attack on the nearest hit enemy. When the trident hits an enemy, monstro spawn enters a berserk state, gaining increased attack speed. This ability deals area damage in a small radius and commands all monstro spawns to perform an enhanced attack on the nearest enemy, dealing vastly increased damage. The trident deals 40 damage by default and 60 damage when enhanced. The range is a 3-meter spherical radius, and the projectile speed is 120 meters per second. The spell field has a 50% damage fall-off at 3 meters. Frozen Spawn. When paired with Luna Snow, NAMOR gains access to Frozen Spawn, which can be activated to temporarily enhance aquatic dominion. This enhancement increases spawn damage in both regular and enraged states, doubles spawn health, causes spawn attacks to slow enemies by 25% for 1 second, and extends the duration of spawns slightly longer than regular monstro spawns.
Chill.
I am the ocean's avenging sun. You will get no love from me. Namor's kit revolves around aquatic dominion, which allows him to temporarily summon monstro spawns to attack enemies from a distance. His abilities provide a mix of offensive and defensive options, making him a versatile and formidable hero in Marvel Rivals.
Seas! Fear Magneto again! That is much better.
Fire mode! Bruce, you're practically a blow-hard soft fighter. A nice deep freeze. No coming back from that. Good job, Spider!
You are in my debt
the
now.
Punisher got an even bigger gun somehow?
Denizens of the deep! Oceans protect me!
You stopped them in their tracks!
Cleanse this place!
A nice deep freeze.
That is much better. Such a complex weapon for such a simple.
It's the grand finale!
Fantastic!
Oceans protect me!
Oh! Ha ha! Ha ha!
Need some help.
I unleash the Vishanti power!
We are undefeatable! Be strong together.
Denizens of the deep!
Only 60 seconds left.
Judge! Goes away!
Deep freeze. Fire mode.
I summon the seas! How refreshing!
Final 10 seconds. They've made it halfway. Stop them.
Summon the seas! Born again! From the coldest depth. Typical air.
Join Namor in Marvel Rivals, master his abilities, strategize with your team, and dominate the arena with the power of the ocean.